guys, if you are in the top 5 or top 10 niche, or you're just about to go into the niche right now, I'm going to give you what is trending in that niche right now using VidIQ AI paid tools. This is paid for, guys. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. So you can see, yeah, we are right now. This AI coach is going to be doing this for us right now, and all we just need to do right now is to come right here where it say current trending. You click on what is trending right now, and it said we should put our keyword right here, top 5 or top 10. That's what we're gonna do. So just click on this blue icon to just click search for it, guys. Man, this video I'm doing right now will help you to know how to approach the top 5 or top 10 niche on Facebook, on YouTube, sorry, on YouTube faceless niche, guys. Man, this AI is doing all his work right now. It's counting, it's scanning all around YouTube right now. Is analyzing all the top videos on YouTube to give you the data of what you need to get started with your own top 5 or top 10 YouTube faceless niche. You can see all the data that is giving you. These data are so powerful that if you can get your hand on this data and start using these to create your video, to analyze your video, to do your video, or you're creating video around all these things that this guy is giving you, man, I tell you, your channel is going to blow up in a very short time. Look at all the analysis that is giving you right now. Look at all of these that is giving you right now, man. Guys, I can't overemphasize this one. I'm telling you, this is so powerful right now. Look at, it's giving us the RPM, the CPM, the views that the channels are getting, all of these things right now. Top 10 trending, top in crypto. Okay, because my channel is about crypto, the channel that I subscribe on this with is crypto. That's why it's giving all this thing. But if it's your own channel, it's gonna niche this down to basically your own channel and let you see these basically you can see 4.9 billion in QI 2021 alone spotlight. So it's going to give you all the details of the things that is trending, guys. Man, video idea and outline inspiration, top three coins. So it's giving, because my channel is about crypto, that's why it's giving me all these videos idea that you're seeing right here. But what you can then do is you can niche this, or you can craft this around your own, or go down in the comment section below and give me a niche that you want me to do an analysis about. If I've not yet done the video, I'm going to do the video and let you have the video right here. So just go down right below right now and just let me have whatever niche that you are in that you want me to analyze for you. Put it down in the comment section below. I'm going to analyze the niche. You can see down below right here, you can see which trending topic fit my audience best. I can go right here. Can you suggest video idea from this? You can see all of these things. So I'll do all of this for you if you let me know. So you can see, can you suggest a video idea? So you can just click right here, so you can suggest a video idea that we can go around and create right now. And I tell you guys, if you follow everything that this AI VidIQ is telling you to do, I tell you, in no time, in a very little bit, your channel is going to blow up and you're going to be surprised by the results that you're going to be getting using this. I'm going to put a link down below this video also, so you can use VidIQ for free. But to do what I'm doing right now, you have to pay for it for months. So that's what I'm going to be doing, guys, right now. So you can see all of this content that is generating for us, that is predicting for us. All these details are so powerful. These things are key. These things are amazing that you don't want to miss any of these details that this guy is giving us right now, guys. So basically that's it for this video, guys. Man, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.